I have a boy, very smart young man, stayed with me for a while. Came to Ife to study medicine. He finished pre-degree. They gave him, don't forget that word, they gave him a Greek extension. He did part 1, started part 2, then went back to do the pre-degree again so he could get into medicine. And by the time he did the pre-degree again, they gave him FST, food science. So he now left and went to a private university. Now he's a medical doctor. If they didn't have resources to go to a private university, listen, it will be concluded religiously that it was never in his destiny to study. Are you seeing how resources can write a person's destiny?
Yes, sir.
It takes resources to afford choices.